Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Shinobi Art of Vengeance crashing, freezing, lagging, stuttering, showing black screen, not launching, not loading error on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After it restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working not. If not, then move to the next solution. It's update graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters. Here select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. If there is any update available, simply update your drivers and after that try to launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users can go through the link provided in the description and update your graphics card, and after that try to play the game. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator and finally hit on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it is fixed. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 or Windows 8 and then click on apply and OK, and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, then select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option over here, search for check for updates. Here you will find if there is any update available, or simply click on check for updates option and this will find for the update. If any update is there after updating Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next is to verify integrity of game file. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on installed files and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After this, try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. Here look for the game if it is listed over here. If it is listed over here, if not, then click on allow another app, go to the browse section and then go to the game folder, and from there you need to add the game to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, click on taskbar settings. Now go to the task manager. Here under process tab you need to check if there is any app that is running in the background without of use or consuming high resources. Simply select it and then right click on it and click on end a task. So this will close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to click on this enable the Steam overlay while in game and it will be disabled. So after that try to launch the game and check if this resolves. The same thing for GeForce also. Open the GeForce experience, click on gear icon beside, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay from there. And for Discord overlay, first go to user settings, game overlay, and from here switch off enable in-game overlay option. After that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library, right click on it, click on properties. Now in the launch option you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to play the game and check if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Here click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that click on downloads and then go below, and here you need to click on clear cache beside download, clear download cache option, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link that I have provided in the description. Just open it, and after that go below and download the latest Visual C++ files for your PC and install it, and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to search option over here, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings option over here, click on advanced, then click on change, then select your game drive and then click on custom size, and here you need to type 24576 in the initial size, and the maximum size is 49152, and then click on set and OK. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this fixes the issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it, because this can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So you are suggested to disable the third-party overlay applications, and after that try to play the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to search option over here, search for graphics settings. Now you need to add the game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder where it has been installed. Now here you can see the game application. Simply add it to the list, and after adding it, go below, click on the arrow icon, and the GPU preference you need to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it fixes the issue. If not, the final method is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and once again click on uninstall option over here. So after uninstalling the game, restart your system. Once restart, now launch Steam, and there you need to reinstall the game once again and then try to play. Hopefully this will resolve the issue you are coming across. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix Shinobi Art of Vengeance game crashing, not launching, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.